Available for sale at Porsche Centre Hall is this 911 Carrera S Cabriolet, finished in Dolomite Silver Metallic. With the roof down, this 911 Cabriolet is a real head turner. Heading inside the vehicle, the Sport Tech square leather interior features crayon stitching and a Porsche Crest embossed headrests. The new GT Sport steering wheel also gives drivers more control over the car. When paired with the Sport Chrono Package, the steering wheel features a new driving mode switch that enables drivers to change how the car responds. If you're interested in this vehicle, please contact our centre today.